Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new project. This is Memories of a Snowy Day by Ciao Bella. This is a project for Scrap and Create and you can get all your supplies there. I did have two 8x8s, one 12x12 and one 12x12 patterns. I also had a rice paper for the spine. So let's take a look. It is 8x8. Again, I have a rice paper on the spine. That's the back. And here on the front, we have double matted. We've put a fussy cut and a little tuck here with a tiny envelope and a tiny little postcard. And some fussy cutting. It's probably not at all visible on the screen, but I did put a tiny bit of Wink of Stella on some of this snow. It's not glittery. This is not that kind of album, but it's just got a little sparkle. Okay, so let us take a look. So here on the inside front cover, we have a pocket, which we've cut a window out of and lined with vellum. And it has an insert. And then just some fussy cuts around the edge. And then this opens. And here, I'm sorry, let me take my watch off. It's banging on my glass mat. So you can put a photo here, and we've made this little tuck that you could use that. And then on this page, we have quite a large pocket with a photo mat in it. Now this album has room for 4 side pocket inserts. I didn't make them, you could of course. And then here we have a fussy cut pocket with some cut aparts, and this is a little folder. I don't know why I say little, it's not little at all. This is a folder. Okay, and here we have our squirrels with their mail, and it's just a tuck spot with a photo mat and one of the cut aparts. On this page, this is some white seam binding. We have an envelope that holds a 4x6 photo. I've just got one of the cut aparts from the collection in it. And then we have another flap. This flap's open, and here we have a 5x7 photo mat. And then I'm leaving that open for the moment because when this opens, you get kind of a continuous scene all the way across. So let me tie that. Okay, and on this side, this is just a flap. It's got a tuck spot on the front. Here we have, this is for your 4x6 photos. The front is matted with one of the cut aparts, and then it just folds open, so it'll hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 if you want to put one there. Okay, there we go. And here we have this adorable squirrel and bird, and then it opens, and we have here a small tuck spot and here a large tuck spot. All of these tags are just cut aparts from the collection. That's all of the embellishing really is cut aparts and fussy cuts because that's all I had. I didn't have flowers for this. I didn't have ephemera or chipboards or anything like that. So everything is used just the pads that I had. And here we have a large pocket with a tag and a cut apart and a booklet. And we have stacked pockets here. And again, all of this stuff is just cut aparts from the collection. So there we go. So that is it. I hope you'll join me in making it. It's a lot of fun. And the paper is beautiful. And if you can't get this paper, although I think it's still available, but if you can't get it, you could use any paper you like, of course. So again, I'll have links down below to Scrap and Create to get your supplies. I don't know as I'll have a link to the cutting guide on this particular video because I haven't typed it up yet. but it will be with the first video in the tutorial series, which should be going up on Monday, December 20th, if you're watching this before that date. So that is it. Again, there's links down below with discount codes that I have. My Patreon is there if you want to support the channel. I have a discount code for this beautiful glass mat. And I guess that is it. So I will see you next time, and we will get started making this book. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.